This is so pretty. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to Tour Time with Nia. If you're new to my channel, make sure you bang on the subscribe button. And today, we have Poopsie Slime Smash Dunkin' Deuce. We have 4 donuts, and then we have like these little super glittery bags. They're super pretty, and then they have like instructions right here. On the back side, it tells you what sets we got. And we have the one on the top, Rainbow Neapolitan. And now, ta-da! It's like a real case. When you open, like when you really get donuts, you open it like this. So I think I'm gonna start off with this one. We have everything, sprinkles and frosting. And here is our stuff. I'm so excited. Did I mention this is my first time? Actually, I didn't mention. Why did I ask if I mentioned? But yeah, this is my first time opening these. Okay, here's our frosting. This is definitely well put on. Perfect. So now I'm gonna get some pure unicorn shimmer. Okay, now we have to smash slime. This is a lot of glitter, but guess what? There's never too much glitter. Such a fluffy slime. Now time to put in all my slime. Next one. Now let's open this thing up. Ooh, this looks cool. Well, we're probably gonna have to add our glitter and our frosting and our. Okay, maybe too late. There's something in here. What is it? That was cool. That was super cool. Wow! Time to pretend that it's still a normal donut. Not dinosaur. Donut. It looks the exact same, right? No difference at all. Okay. sure. Yeah, looks pretty much the same. Okay. Done. Perfect. Look at all those moons in the middle of the donut hole. Super fluffy slime. So this time we're gonna do both of the donuts at the same time. 3, 2, 1. So here are 2 donuts. I'm gonna start frosting them up. I'm gonna pour on the blue one. Rainbow! Time to smash! Whoa! Look at all that glitter. This is just a glitter explosion. Ooh, pretty orange glitter. But since we have extra, this is so pretty. I think I found my new favorite type of glitter. This is so cool. Like a smash. I forgot for a second that we had all of this. I want to keep all this glitter on my table forever. So here's all the donuts. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys!